Hi, my name is Todd Tams, and I'm the founder of Direct Work Comp. And in this video, we wanted to help show how easy it is for your business to get an instant workers' compensation quote from directworkcomp.com. So the first thing you want to do is go to our webpage, and in the top right-hand corner, click the Get a Quote button. From here, we're going to start with some simple information about your business. We'll enter the zip code, and then my name is Todd Tams. We'll enter our email address here as well as our office phone number. It's going to ask you how many years your company has been in business and to tell us a little bit about your business. In this case, we're just going to use a test business and then enter our federal tax ID number. If you don't have a federal tax ID number, a social security number is just fine. From here, we can choose what the legal structure is of your business, as well as your business address. Here we are. Enter the number of employees. For this business, we're going to be a restaurant. And you can see by typing in what type of work your business does, it'll populate with a field. If you also know the class codes from your workers' compensation policy, that is just fine also. Once you enter your business information, you can add another location or add more class codes if you have multiple class codes on your policy. Go ahead and click next. It's going to ask, do we want to include owners or officers? If you do, click yes and key in the information. If you don't, go ahead and hit no, and we'll continue. Choose the effective date you want your policy to start. From here, we have a couple common questions that pertain to your business, and the most common answers have already been selected for you. We'll hit save and continue here. Lastly, it's going to want to know if you have current workers' compensation insurance. If you do, hit yes. If you don't, that's fine too. We can still help your business. In this case, we'll put yes. We've had it for 3 years or more. If you've had claims, go ahead and upload the information about the claims. But if you don't, that's fine too. We can figure it out later. From here, we're going to hit save and continue and rate the policy. When we get to our final result page, you have the ability to change coverage limits, view your quote, choose your payment plan, whether it's monthly or annual, or connect with us if you have questions about your quote. And here we go. So this quote for this restaurant is going to be $287.25 a month. Here you can buy your policy, change coverage limits. There is your quote. And then if you have any questions, there's a couple ways you can reach out to us. We hope this information was helpful in showing you how easy it is to get a quote at directworkcomp.com. If we can help you or your business in any way, we would absolutely love to do that. And please just reach out to us. Thank you so much.